Multiple offers, over asking, subject free, backup offers? Not in this market, right? Think again. Buyers are back, and here's why. Hi, I'm Ollie Neitzel, and welcome to R.E.S Vancouver Real Estate Market Updates, the only channel that gives you an honest perspective of what's actually happening in today's real estate market. For more content like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below because I want to hear your thoughts on the rising interest rates and the effects on real estate prices. By now, it's no secret that interest rates have gone up and they're gonna keep going up. Why? It's the government's solution to help battle inflation. Will it work? Probably not, but the housing market will be affected. Now, if you're a subscriber to my channel, you'll know that the benchmark price follows the rise and fall of the interest rates. So how come if interest rates are going up and prices are going down, we're seeing increased buyer activity and pent-up demand over the last few weeks? Interest rates have risen and they're going to continue to rise for the foreseeable future. However, the interest rate increase does not justify the huge drop in the benchmark price. Why? Well, that's a great question. In a seller's market like we experienced earlier this year, the typical realtor's advice would be to buy first and sell after. The problem with that is it creates an abundance of sellers who have to sell now, ultimately lowering their price lower than they'd like to. This, in combination with sellers looking to cash out and buyers who are playing the wait and see card, makes a quick transition from a seller's market to a buyer's market, and the benchmark price will fall rapidly. Fast forward to today, and a realtor's advice is the complete opposite. Sell first and then buy. What does that do? That creates buyers that now have to buy. Add in investors that can pick up properties for significantly less than they could at the beginning of the year, and people relocating to Vancouver, and now you got yourself a buyer pool. So what's selling? Condos, townhouses, and detached homes with suites and positive cash flow opportunity. And what's not selling? Detached homes and anything east into the Fraser Valley that's overpriced. If you think you're getting $1.5 million for your house in Maple Ridge, think again, because you can get the same, if not similar product, the further west you head. So buyers, obviously there's a lot of deals out there, and the interest rate don't justify those deals and the prices out there. But be aware that sellers' motivation is shifting. Sellers may no longer have to sell, and your lowball offer might not work anymore. And sellers, believe it or not, there's opportunity for you too. Now is a great time to buy up and pick up that house down the road that just reduced their price by $100K. Investors are seeing opportunity, and if your property fits that criteria, it may help you with your sale. And stand your ground when you get lowball offers. Fewer sellers are gonna have to sell, and more buyers are gonna come to the table when they follow the advice of their realtors to sell first and buy after. Will interest rates get to a level where people are forced to sell their home? Doubtful, but it's always a possibility. One thing I can tell you is that buyer activity has increased over the last few weeks. There are a ton of deals out there, and at the end of the day, people will always still have to move. I hope this information helped give you a better perspective on what the influence of interest rates is actually doing to our real estate market. Be sure to leave a comment below because I definitely want to hear your perspective, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.